Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick video. I'm gonna do this as fast as I can because it's during nap time, but specifically for my fitness fam. So anyone that knows me, a lot of you guys that do know we're super into fitness. I love all of our fitness friends. Um, Trainers, advocates, athletes. Most of us, I guess, are ex-athletes because we're pushing it in age. But I love you all, so I wanted to share with you how to use the everyday oils specifically for fitness-related activities or lifestyle or whatever wording you would like to choose. Yeah, so just some quick things. Everything that I'm going to talk about in this video is specific to Young Living oils. I always have to say this because some people will tell me that they're trying to use an oil that they got at a store or from Amazon or something, and they're frustrated because they're not getting the results that they wanted to see or the results that I talk about seeing. And that's because every essential oil is not made the same. So I'm gonna do the quick version. You can check out one of our like 101 basic classes for more info on the process of distilling and producing essential oils. But I'm just gonna say Young Living has the highest therapeutic grade. They're like, there's just so much, and you can research this, so much into how Young Living produces their oils. And it's just the highest and the best quality. So we love them. That's what we use. That's what we're going to talk about today. So I'm going to talk about the everyday oils. It's how we recommend everyone getting started because it just covers every bodily system. Every system in your body is covered in the everyday oil kit. Sorry, there was something stuck in my throat. So it's always where we recommend getting started. And just so you know, we are a community. So when you grab oils with us, we're gonna make sure that you know what to do. We're gonna hold your hand. We're gonna answer any questions that you have. That's what we're here for. So just real basic, there's 3 ways you can use oils aromatically. So that's what people tend to think of with using essential oils: diffusing them, smelling them out of the bottle, however you do it. You can use them topically, so on your skin. We use a lot of rollers. Roll it on your neck, your chest, your wrist, and then also you can ingest them. So Young Living has a specific vitality line that is safe for ingestion, FDA approved. They're amazing. I love using oils in all of the ways because they're just amazing, and why not? So I'm just gonna get started. Oil number 1, lemon oil. This is number 1 for hydration. A lot of people already are putting lemon in their oil because essential oils are so potent. The health benefits are amplified. So all of the great things that lemon can do for you, the digestion, immune support, all of those things are just amplified. What I will say for fitness people, add a couple drops of lemon oil in your water and it will help you stay hydrated through your workout. So always do this before working out just to make sure, especially people who have issues with staying hydrated, it'll help you retain your water. So lemon oil. And then also all of the other health benefits are still there. That's just as far as talking about working out, what I recommend. Next is peppermint. So peppermint is amazing. Typically, the way that people talk about using peppermint the most is for headache support, headaches and migraines and whatnot. Peppermint, I think, is amazing for pain relief. So we add it into our muscle relief rollers because it gives you the sensation, helps with tension in whatever areas. After a workout, I always use a muscle relief roller. And all the ingredients in our muscle relief roller are in this kit. So love, love, love that. Next up is Digest. So this is for digestion support. Just digestion support. So I always recommend this for anyone that's having any tummy issues, anything that's going on with that. Especially if you're eating like a certain kind of diet. Sometimes it's just nice to have that additional support so that everything flows well, does what you want it to do, right? Next up is copaiba. This is amazing for anti-inflammatory. So I love it for joint support, muscle support. It's great for pain relief. If you do some research, it's got a lot of the same health benefits as CBD oil as far as pain, without the THC. So you can research it. It's amazing. I love copaiba and it smells so good. Next up is these. This is for your overall health, y'all. Everybody needs to have these. Roll it on your neck, on your feet, and it just keeps you healthy. So it keeps your body well so you can power through all the workouts that you want to, and you don't have to miss anything for being sick or from feeling cruddy because it's winter and that happens. So that's the first 5 of the Vitality line. Next, you come down here, lavender. I know everyone talks about lavender. This is the best lavender on the market. But let me tell you, the best thing that I love to do with lavender is after a workout, either put some on a towel, put a warm towel on to help you relax. You can diffuse it during your cool down, if you can, or even do a steam shower with lavender, and it just helps your muscles relax. It helps you come down from a workout. Love lavender. It also will help you sleep. So, you know, just preparation for your next workout. Sleep is, of course, key. So diffusing it at night is amazing. We diffuse lavender every night. It's also great for like tissue regeneration. So if you get calluses from weights or whatever it is, put it on your skin and it'll help your skin heal. So love that. Next is frankincense, which is just it's a special oil. I love frankincense. This is really great for like anxiety if you're coming up to like a race, if you have a marathon on the weekend and just want to get your emotions under control. This one is great for that. It's also great skin support. So, you know, if you just want to love your skin, go work out without having to put I'm not the girl that wears makeup to the gym, but if you are, there are other options, girl. You can use frankincense. Your skin just glows with nothing on. But yeah, so big, if you have like a meet or a race or whatever the case is, frankincense would be great for just helping you stay calm and, you know, all those feelings. Citrus Fresh is next. This is my all-time favorite oil to diffuse during a workout, before a workout. It just is uplifting. It's got a great fragrance. It cleans the air. If you're in a gym, all my gym friends, I always recommend diffusing Citrus Fresh because it's the one oil that just everyone loves. I've never met someone that doesn't like Citrus Fresh. Also, it purifies the air. So all of the stinky, sweaty, smells like a high school football team's locker room smells, you don't have to worry about those. So I love this in the gym. I love it before working out too, just to get your spirit uplifted, you know, get ready, mentally prepared. Love it. Raven. This is my favorite to recommend for a natural pre-workout. I've taken pre-workouts for a year. I used to be serious athlete. These days not as much, but I've taken numbers of pre-workouts, but all of them were terrible and really, really bad for your body. So if you want to have the same kind of effect, I would just rub Raven on your chest. It's great at opening your lungs up, getting your blood flow, oxygenating your blood. It is excellent for before your workout. And the last one of these 10 is Panaway. This is your #1 oil to use for pain relief. It is amazing. Literally, after I had London, like everywhere in my body, didn't have to take any pain meds. I still have recurring issues with my foot that I broke numerous times. Panaway is the bad boy. So what I do use for pain relief is a mix of Panaway, copaiba, where's the other one? Oh, and peppermint. And I use those because Panaway takes the pain away, hence its name. Copaiba helps with for inflammation. And then peppermint gives it that soothing feel, like something's happening here and it feels so much better. So that's why I use them in a combo, and I just put them in a roller with the carrier oil. And those are the 10 everyday oils. There's one more, and I don't know where I put it. So Stress Away is the last of the oils in the kit, which is great just to diffuse if you're stressed out. So you can diffuse it, you can roll it on if you're nervous about a workout, if you have to make a certain weight, whatever the case is. It's another thing like frankincense where it's calming, smells amazing. Yeah, so those are the everyday oils that come in a premium starter kit. The starter kit is what we always recommend for anyone that's new to oils or anyone that's new to Young Living because it gives you the best deal. You get to choose your diffuser. You get all 11 oils. It's $160, which is an amazing price. Let me tell you, 11 oils and a diffuser for only $160. Like crazy, crazy deal, right? You only get this discount just because we want you to start off in the best way possible. And then you also get membership to Young Living and membership to our team as well. So with membership to Young Living, you get 24% off of any future purchase, which is amazing. And then you also get to be eligible for their rewards program called Essential Rewards. I tell everyone to get on Essential Rewards. One, you get to try out a whole bunch of new products for free. Or you can be eligible to get them for free. And then also it's just the best way to get all of your natural plant-based products to your house every month. Love, love, love it. So you can check out our other video that's all about Essential Rewards. But it's how you can switch from using all of the really harmful chemicals that are in your everyday products to using ones that are good for your body and can support your overall wellness. So I definitely recommend that. But so the premium starter kit, you get your diffuser of choice, you get your 11 everyday oils, you get membership to the best squad in the world, which is our team, plus Young Living. And then you get a sample of Thieves Cleaner, which I recommend to everyone. My favorite of all time, I kid you not, natural cleaner. So we've used natural cleaners before and they were all terrible. I didn't feel like they cleaned anything. This is an all natural cleaner. And you get a sample. The one packet can make 1 to 2 bottles depending on how strong you want it. But so it's super concentrated. I love it. You will love it. And then you also will get 2 samples of Ningxia Red, which is our antioxidant drink. Great way to get a whole bunch of nutrients into your body quickly, and it tastes amazing. So that is the lowdown on our everyday oils, how to get started, and feel free to message me if you have any more questions. But I love you guys. Hope you're having a great day. That's it, and that's all.